A Belarusian journalist arrested in Minsk following the forced diversion of his flight has appeared in a video, apparently under duress. European Union leaders have banned Belarusian airlines from EU airspace and are drawing up targeted sanctions against officials. The head of the World Health Organization condemns what he says is the scandalous inequity of access to COVID vaccinations around the world.
The head of the World Health Organization has condemned what he says is the scandalous inequity of access to COVID vaccinations around the world. Speaking at the opening of the annual World Health Assembly, Tedros Ghebreyesus said the gap was making the pandemic worse.
Japan has opened mass COVID vaccination centres in an effort to speed up the rollout of jabs 2 months before the start of the Tokyo Olympics. The military-run centres in the capital Tokyo and Osaka will administer thousands of jabs each day. Japan is trying to curb a surge in infections.
US Olympic officials say they're confident American athletes will be able to take part in the Tokyo Games, despite US government advice not to travel to Japan because of coronavirus. The government advice did not mention the Games specifically, and the US Olympic Committee has stressed that safety measures and testing will protect competitors.
The winner of last month's election in Samoa has been sworn into office in an extraordinary ceremony in a tent. She was actually locked out of Parliament by her opponent, who's refusing to step down. Fiame Naomi Matafa ended up taking the oath of office in a marquee in the gardens surrounding Parliament. She's become Samoa's first female Prime Minister. The Malian military has arrested the country's political leaders in what appears to be an attempted coup. Mali's interim president, Bandoa, and the Prime Minister were taken to a military camp near the capital, Bamako. The African Union, the EU and the US have condemned the coup and have demanded the President and the Prime Minister's release.
The BBC board will review the corporation's editorial policies and governance following the inquiry into Martin Bashir's interview with Princess Diana in 1995. The board said it accepted the report's conclusions and reiterated the apology offered to those affected by the failings identified.